While I work with Sarah on a new furniture layout, let me show you a great solution for leveling floors and repairing cracks in your home's foundation. Your home is one of the biggest financial investments you'll make in your life. Of course, you want to protect it literally from the ground up. If you're seeing signs that your walls are cracking or you have uneven floors, you could have major foundation issues. Today, we'll be talking to a company that specializes in foundation repairs called N-Square, and they could be your solution. So Scott is the Vice President of N-Square. Welcome to SoFlo Home Project.
Well, thank you.
So what type of services does your company provide?
Well, we specialize in 3 areas: foundation repair, crawl space encapsulation, and concrete leveling.
And right here we have major foundation repair, right?
Correct. Today this is a foundation repair. We've had a house that has settled over time due to the soils. Most people think it's the structure, when the reality is it's the soils down below. And as you can see, cracks have occurred. And what we're doing in this case, we've come in based upon our soil profile, and we are installing what we call our push pier system. And this is all set up to start driving a push pier where this piece of steel, galvanized steel, is going to be hydraulically driven down to bedrock. And once we hit the bedrock, we're going to see that the structure is slightly going to come up. We're going to do our best to close these cracks. Cracks never close clean because they never break clean. And once that's done, we're going to tie it off, which we then provide a lifetime warranty for our customer on this product that it's not going to move.
So what type of symptoms should homeowners be looking for when they inspect their home?
Well, when they're, first and foremost, they'll start to notice windows don't open properly. Doors may not close like they once did because the house is now getting out of level. Then when they walk around the perimeter of the house, and sometimes on the inside of the house, they'll start to see cracks occurring. They'll have cracks this way as well as stair-step cracks, which shows that the house is separating from where it was on the blocks.
And also blocks. Like uneven floors, right?
Uneven floors,
so if you start walking, you feel like a dip in the flooring, that's
Absolutely.
A sign that
Put your golf ball on the floor and watch where the ball rolls.
That's a really good tip.
Yeah, there you go.
Amazing, Scott. So now, when it comes to the repair, can this literally be done in one day?
It all depends on the size of the job. The job that we have here, about 3 piers, is a one-day job.
Okay. So, if anyone is watching right now and their home is suffering from cracks, leveling issues, how can they contact you, Scott?
Well, if they contact our website, which is nsquareinc.com, and you can either submit a request online or call the number that's posted.
Thank you again. A lot of great information here on SoFlo Home Project, and we look forward to working with you again in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you, Scott.
Enjoyed it.
Next on SoFlo Home Project, Sarah's adult living room starts to take shape, and we bring in accent pieces that remind her of home.